Sorry to be starting the vlog in such a stupid environment as Walmart, but we just left this morning and we're sitting in the truck's tailgate now. Our dad just bought this new truck. He traded in his 2015 Impala for a 2012 F-150. It's gonna tow the trailer for us. The van used to, but it's getting old and this thing is gonna do it good. And we're waiting for our mom to come out of Walmart with the groceries that she was paying for. It's a really nice seat back here. I'm just gonna film the truck in a minute. So this is 3.5-inch exhaust tube, which is actually really good.
Maybe we should start it up.
You could start it up and turn it off. Just show you guys what it sounds like. Stupid booster seat back there.
You think we should?
If you really want. It's very nice inside. Plenty of room in there.
If you want, you can
doors
go way
crack.
back and hold them up for if I did.
To start it up and then turn it off, you mean? Do you want to take the phone and I can do it?
Okay. It's the truck. Anyways. Oh my god, look at those birds. It does have like the cool like thing you can pull up and then just pull down and get in better, but she's gonna start it up and show you guys how it sounds. It doesn't do that sound like the doo-doo-doo. It sounds good. Come listen to it. When you first started, it sounded really good.
I know.
Like, it didn't sound like a van, it sounded quieter, but... Hear it rumble?
Yeah, it's this. Okay, I'm gonna shut it off.
Maybe you should rev it a little. While it's there a little, you should. A little. Okay, it's good.
That wasn't a lot.
I know.
That's so easy to take out.
God.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Yo.
Calm down.
Look at him. Maybe you should sit down there instead.
Yeah, you might fall out. Me Strix Donkey. What the hell are you staring at me?
Guys, so it's 6:22 p.m. We walk to the Dollar Tree. Every single time we come here in this certain aisle, there's a Sunny D bottle sitting right here, just randomly. Now there's 3. Oh my god, I multiplied. Hang on, let me just. Mustaches, like all this stuff here, you guys. All of it. Sorry, I'm filming vertically. I actually have Christmas stuff in September. It's the 1st of September. Look, all of this Christmas stuff. And they're in the Burger Bros.
That is creepy.
I didn't get anything at the Dollar Tree, but oh my god, look at that! What is that?
Stuff like the Dollar Tree.
You see that cord was like bigger than it. But
So
my
I'll show
brother
you
got
guys here
something, but I
I'll show you
didn't.
guys what I picked up. We picked up the Dollar Tree
Stuff. Gret.
tool kit. The Dollar Tree 10 tool kit. I'm gonna keep this receipt in case.
The lady in there was like, under all the cracked teeth. She's always there. She's like a little duo, huh? It's fun walking in here and getting stuff, isn't it, guys?
Every 2
Because we go in there like every day or so.
And I kind of, I don't know if you guys can notice. I just cut it a little bit. We got this, so it comes with a utility knife. This is the type of utility knife you use it when the blade gets dull, you snap it off and you keep going. And I think you might look buy new ones, I don't know. Got these two and got that set. I already got most of this stuff in here. I don't not have these two or this, but I have that. That might have different sizes though, I'm not sure.
Here.
I'm gonna open it.
With me holding it?
Yeah, I don't really know how else to, that's why I gave it to you, so you could record me open it. It's here and it's cardboard.